Hello everyone, this is Abhishek from Capsleki channel, and in this video I am saying about Nokia One vs Lava Z50 and our Go smartphone get into a fight. So let's get started in the short and simple way. So shall we? Back in December 2017, Google announced the Android Oreo Go Edition platform aimed at the low-end and entry-level smartphones. The platform has lighter version of Android apps. Those will function smoothly on entry-level smartphone with a maximum of 1 GB of RAM. A couple of months following the announcement of this platform, a few smartphones running the same were unveiled at the MWC 2018 Tech Show in February. While brands such as ZTE, Alcatel, HMD Global and Lava announced their Android Oreo Go Edition smartphone at the tech show, the Indian market was witnessed the launch of two such models so far. Back in the last week, the Lava Z50 was launched in India at price point of Rs 4400. Following the same, HMD Global has brought the Nokia One and our Go smartphone to the country at Rs 5500. Given that there are two such entry-level smartphones in the India now, we have come up with a comparison to know which one is better by its design. Nokia One and Lava Z50 are made up of polycarbonate. Of the two, the Nokia One has a slightly rounded design, and what makes the Nokia One interesting is that the company has played well with the incorporation of Express on covers in attractive colors, thereby paving way for a customized look. The Express on covers are available in 4 colors and are priced at Rs 450. Moreover, the Nokia One is IP52 certified to protect it from splashes of water. Display. On the specification front, both the Lava Z50 and Nokia One smartphone are almost identical. These smartphones are fitted with identical 4.5-inch display with FWVGA resolution of 854 x 480 pixel, translating to an average pixel density of 218 ppi. The Nokia phone has an IPS LCD panel, while the Lava offering has the Gorilla Glass protection. Hardware and storage. On the hardware front, both the smartphones use the same MediaTek MT6737 processor paired with Mali T720 MP2 GPU, 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage space. The Nokia One has a hybrid SIM slot supporting expandable storage up to 120 GB. On the other hand, the Lava Z50 supports 64 GB expandable storage, but there is a dedicated microSD card slot on board. The Nokia One has 2150 mAh battery and Lava Z50 uses a 2000 mAh battery. Software. As mentioned earlier, both the smartphones run on Android 8.1 Oreo Go Edition, which renders up to 50% improved performance. With optimization, the Go apps make sure that only minimum RAM is used, ensuring a smooth performance. Also, these devices are free from bloatware and ensures efficient data consumption. Camera. Again, Nokia One and Lava Z50 have a 5 megapixel primary camera at the rear accompanied by LED flash, while Nokia One has a 2 megapixel selfie camera. The Lava phone is better than with a 5 megapixel selfie camera at the front along with LED flash for low light selfie shots. Interestingly, the Lava Z50 comes with software based bokeh mode for the front and rear cameras. Verdict. The Lava Z50 and Nokia One are almost on par on the specification front, but there are notable differences. If customizable and durable smartphone is your choice, then you should opt for the Nokia One. We say as Nokia phones are known for the build quality, and this one has IP52 certification and interchangeable back covers. On the other hand, if you are looking out for a good camera phone within the sub Rs 5000 price range, the Lava Z50 can be a good one for you, as it comes with a better selfie camera and flash as well. Pricing wise, the Nokia One is relatively more offensive with a price tag of Rs 5500, and this might set your back if you have really tight budget. The Lava Z50 is priced at Rs 4400 Moreover, both the smartphones are available with offers from telecom operators. So there are offers. The Lava phone becomes more affordable as it comes with the Airtel cashback of rupees 2000, taking its effective price down to rupees 2400. In addition to this, Lava is offering a free one-time screen replacement within 1 year as well. Nokia One gets Reliance Jio 60 GB of free 4G data and a cashback of rupees 2200, taking it to rupees 3300. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Caps on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. Keep watching all the videos and wait for the next batch.